I'm on my phone. You want to be encouraged because it's during that time and around uplifting. This is something you were saying, Dapper, and I believe this. I firmly believe this. That's why things that messages that resonate with me, I push and I encourage. And when I see different things that look like it resonate with your audience, I'm gonna tell you. You don't have to take my advice because I'm not the expert. But there's sometimes we want to be in a lot of different lanes. But if I see your lane is working for you, I will encourage you. Happy to be here, guys. I want to encourage you guys. You know, can y'all show our friend Dapper some love? Now, Dapper was saying on Big Jack's live, he was saying how the community is respectful. And a lot, everybody is not just moderating people who likes a lot of vulgarity. Hey, Petron. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I got to moderate y'all. So we want to make sure we are loving on everybody and be careful who we treat or mistreat because it is so important that we love and include people, but we want to make sure who we coming in covenant with because everything they connected to, we are connected to. And we want to make sure our connection is the right source. And that's what I want to say. Be encouraged and know that it's not about how many subscribers you have. It's about how much love you showing to your subscribers because the more love you show, the more love will come back to you. So I want you to know that, you know, we all in this race together. I'm making moderators, y'all. That's what I'm doing right now. And we want to make sure we loving up on each other and we encouraging each other because this task sometimes can become daunting, and we want to make sure that we are not. We're not, we want to make sure we're doing what we need to do. And that's what I want to say. So I'm so excited. Like I say, I'm not excited for the numbers because you could have one person that will support you as greater than hey Tracy, thank you for the blessings. Yes. You know, they came from Philippines, you know, their time is different from ours. You know, and we want to make sure we're showing love to one another. Uh, because we don't know. We all saying we're families. We all saying we building. Hey, glisten, vanity mirror. We all saying I'm excited for you all. We all are saying that we're building a community, and every community is not gonna look exactly the same. Thank you, glisten. This is my first time seeing you. You're welcome. And here I'm so grateful to you coming to stop by. So we want to make sure we showing love to one another and encouraging. I'm excited not because of numbers. Numbers mean nothing to me. It's just a milestone. But I wanted to get on here and tell you guys thank you. Thank you for the love. Thank you for being there. TCS, hey, you're back. Welcome. And so I just wanted to say, I know I see you back. See, I remember your name, baby. And so it's so much going on, and I'm so excited. I am so excited for where we going. I'm not excited for me. I'm excited for where we going. If we stay the course, we will finish the race. If we keep on looking, encouraging each other, whatever you sow. I like the garden. I'm talking too fast, y'all. I like to do gardening in the summertime. And whatever you plant in your garden, it will come back. So be careful what you plant, not only in your garden, but in other people's garden. Because if you plant the wrong thing, baby, it's going to come back up. So that's what we want to make sure. Those glasses are cool and the earrings match. Thank you, baby. Thank you. In Elvis Presley's voice, thank you very much. Um, and so that's what we're doing. We just encouraging each other. And that's why I wanted to get on here. I didn't want a milestone to pass by and not showing their love. The race will never end. The race will never end. We will go past the finish line. The seeds are planted and the tropical forest is coming. Yes,